Chaos, potential energy, before creation. You have all the potential in you. Your ability to tap into that creativity is just moving into your fear. What's the definition of fear?
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a harmonious beat.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. 2020. Tapping into that chaotic creativsphere. Tapping into your creative bag. 2020 is opening a new chaotic energy in the minds of the masses. Throw out the rule book. Get rid of the old way of thinking. Being creative, expressing yourself creatively, is a new wave of the world. This energy is not sitting still and is not waiting for people to make up their minds. Your chaos energy, creative sphere, is ready to break out, transform, and move you into situations that's going to keep your mind out of the demiurge's grasp.
Hey, what happened?
This energy is our birthright and must be cultivated in the love frequency. The problem is, the manipulators or the elite of this reality want you to stay in a fear-based vibration. Stay in the conform 9-to-5 laggeth energy slave to humanity. Now, don't get me wrong. If you love your job, that's cool. Do you. But make sure you're expressing yourself creatively in that atmosphere. What's happening is the fear and the mind control set ways is not letting you propel your being. Fear of the unknown. It's important to step into that darkness to come out with the light. Go look at the sunset. No, not that sunset. The sun, Heru, and Set. They're battling. These energies are polar opposites to show you have to step into that Seth energy to come out Heru. Go see my Seth energy video and my Heru and you video. These energies are going to move that creative flow with your being instead of having the energy stagnant and placing it in different places. That's not who you are divinely. For example, you love the art of driving. You're the train operator at your job. Instead of staying on the same route, stuck on the track, you want to venture into something new. But your fear and worry of society's way of thinking doesn't move you to start a truck driving business. Instead, it moves you to get a pickup truck. Now you're stuck in the same route, driving to work in the pickup truck you have to pay for with your same driving job. Being stuck in a one-track mind instead of letting that creative sphere reign supreme. Chaos, potential energy, before creation. You have all the potential in you. Your ability to tap into that creativity is just moving into your fear. What's the definition of fear? Fear, amputated thinking in the presence of the apparent unsolvable. The attempt to escape a perceived threat to structural integrity. This is why you must step into your fear and challenge that aspect of yourself you deem hard or crazy. Get out of that survival behavior, stuck in survival mode, and tap into your creative sphere. You putting that energy into the 1,000th time watching that same Martin episode? Or being into someone else's business that is doing their thing, expressing themselves creatively? Your ability to remove yourself out of that energy and get into your fear is the true mark of a chaos being. You're not a consumer, you're a producer. You scrolling on Instagram saying, I'm a better cook than him. It's not expressing yourself creatively. Get out there and cook. I know it's boiling you inside. Take the lid off that pan. Produce, create. 2020 is here. Think outside the box and make this year your year to express yourself clearly with ease.
Message.
Dream wise.